great view of the remarkable architecture of Model S. The front of the car is truly state-of-the-art. We have a space frame or open architecture here, featuring a combination of castings and extrusions with a few stampings. Here we see the cast suspension turret members, which are extraordinarily well shaped and very functional, very stiff, lightweight and great in crash. And across them we have this very large cross member, which we are able to put in place because we don't have to clear a conventional gasoline engine. And all this is triangulated with this cross brace, this diagonal, creating a series of triangles well known to optimise stiffness. Stiffness is vitally important in a car, not just for ride and handling, but for making sure that the body has that vault-like feel, that lack of shake, which is synonymous with a real quality product. Safety is a recurrent theme on this vehicle. Here we see a very advanced crumple zone. These deep extrusions, these aluminum extrusions, which are perfectly straight, unhindered by the intrusion of a conventional powertrain. Again, we see this characteristic double octagon section, which is such a good shape for absorbing crash energy, ensuring that the G-forces in an impact are reduced, therefore less injurious to the occupants. Well, here we see a really great view of the cooling system for Model S and the radiators. And it may be surprising to some that it's necessary to have radiators and cooling on an electric car. But it's very necessary and very much part of the advanced powertrain monitoring system that Tesla has developed. In order to extract the very best out of the batteries, it's imperative to keep them at a uniform temperature and to control that temperature in a computer-controlled way. And here we see a heat exchanger, a central heat exchanger, for that function. And either side we also see condensers, and these are for the air conditioning systems within the car to keep the cabin at an acceptable temperature. But overall, we have far fewer radiators and less area of radiator here than in a conventional vehicle. And that in itself is important for efficiency, for aerodynamics and range. And also, we see that the entire system, together with this ultra-high strength steel boron bumper system, which in itself is a state-of-the-art feature, is combined with this aluminum intensive carrier in a module. And that modularity will allow us to build Model S at 20,000 units a year in a repeatable fashion. You see, quality is not just a function of how things are assembled on the production line, but I passionately believe that quality is designed in from the outset.